How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your HyperX Cloud 3 with two quiet issues. So the first thing that I suggest is to head over to the Ingenuity application. So just head over to the HyperX Ingenuity. Go ahead and click on the official page from HyperX and just go ahead and get it. From there, you will be able to simply update the firmware of your headset right here that simply fix minor issues, including low volume. And simply once inside, just make sure that you have turned your volume knob all the way up, including on the actual software right here. And on the computer, you also want to simply search for sound setting. Go ahead and make sure that the volume is turned up once again. And on the volume mixer, you could right click on the volume icon right here, or you could simply just search for volume mixer and just make sure that for applications, once again, it's turned all the way up. So for example, if you're having problems with something like NVIDIA broadcast, it might be because your volume is turned down on certain applications. So just make sure that applications are turned up, your volume for your control panel is turned up, and same thing with the Ingenuity application. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.